Okay, today we're going to create the cube, and then we're going to use an extruded cut operation to take a corner out. So this is going to build up on a previous lesson that already taught how to use an extrude boss base feature. So first we're going to do File New, select Part, I'm on a 2015 version. Your version is a little newer than this, however the location of where the buttons are should really not change. So first thing we did already in previous lessons was we've selected an extrude boss base, we've chosen the top plane, gone ahead and done a two-corner rectangle, snapping onto the origin and dragging to the positive XY quadrant. We then smart dimensioned this to be 5 inches. This is a good opportunity to check to see if you are actually using inches. So make sure it says IN here. If it doesn't, at the very bottom here, you can change your unit. Then go back here and change these to 5. Let's confirm. Remember not to click X. If you clicked X, we would discard everything we've done and have to start over. So over here on the feature manager, you're going to press 5. Select 5 inches. You can zoom out to preview. If you like this, and this is exactly what you intend, you can click the green check, or you can press Enter on the keyboard. Okay, we have the cube where we're starting our new content. So this is the orbit tool. Once again, I'm pushing the wheel mouse in and rotating. I've gone over this in previous lessons. To hit the space bar, I can view this in isometric. To hit the space bar, I can have it show me the two-dimensional front, side, back, left, top, bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at an isometric. I know that this is the top. We're going to do the extrude cut operation. And at this point, we're using a three-dimensional feature, and it's asking us to select a planar or face of which we're going to cut. We're going to cut the top. So we're going to click this. Now that I've selected this, if you notice the sketch tools have now been activated. We'll grab a two-corner rectangle, and we're going to snap to the front corner. We're going to just drag outwards. Now we've snapped to this corner. This sketch cannot come off this corner, but we can dimension the sides of this square. Since this is a 5-inch cube, we're going to take 5 and we're going to cut that in half. So we could put 2.5 because we know that that's half of 5. Or we can use this as a calculator. So if I did 5/2, 5 divided by 2, press Enter, I have my 250 or my 2.50. So you can use the dimension line here as a calculator if you can't calculate specific calculations in your head. I'm going to put in 2.5 natively, press Enter. Now we have a 2.5 by 2.5 square. Now we're doing the exact opposite that we did initially to make the cube. Instead of extruding upwards, we are going to extrude downwards and remove material. So when I click the confirmation corner, it's going to ask me, how far down do I want to cut? It remembers the last value that I entered, 5. I don't want to cut all the way through. I want to go halfway through. So I'm going to do 2.5 and press Enter. It gives me a preview over here. I'm going to click the green check, and now that material is now gone. We're going to use this model to create a detailed 3-view orthographic projection drawing in the next video. So at this point, save as, and you want to save this object as cut cube. Make sure you put it in the proper location that I've told you in previous lessons.